Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, is the 4th day of December 2024. We were in the last month for this year, 2023. There's a lot of things happen in 2023, and with all the journey that I have, it's so challenges. It's not the usual experience that I ever have for the last 3 decades. But anyhow, what I can learn from my experience is when you have nothing, when you have empty, that's where you are full. You know, I've been homeless here in America for a couple of months. I've been on the street. I know the plight of the homeless people, how hard it is. It's not a joke, to tell you the truth, at least. But I acquired a lot of friends. I know a lot of people that helped me in a way. They put me in a hotel. They feed me breakfast, dinner, or lunch, whatever is they can offer to me. You can, that's what they say, you cannot be choosy when you are poor. So, but nevertheless, I've been on the hotel. It's not just a hotel, it's a 5-star hotel, mind you. So, you know, with all the things that's going on in my life personally, with my family, with my kids, I always pray that everybody will be okay. At the end of the day, you know, sometimes or mostly every night when I close my eyes, I wish not to open it, but every day, as a matter of fact, today I'm on my way to the court to defend myself regarding the restraining order that they said that I did not follow or I disobeyed, because I'm on restraining order that I should not be in my house. Imagine, my own house within 100 yards. I parked my car, they said within 75 yards, but I was there not to go to my house but to talk to my appraiser, because we are selling the house. But you know, my mother-in-law asked my son to call 911, and the police came and they put me in jail for 4 days. And those 4 days was the worst experience of my life, and I wish not to go back there at all. And hopefully you guys listening to this will do everything not to go to the jail. You wouldn't like it, especially here in USA. It's not the best ever. You think America, the jail situation is better? No, it is not. It's gonna be your nightmare, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm just telling you. But anyhow, that's what I say. I'm on my way to the court hearing to defend myself, because the judge ruling wants me to be jailed for 1 year. But my lawyer is fighting for that. She is saying that, you know, it's not my intention to go to my house. It's not my intention to broke the law. It's not my intention not to follow the court order. It just so happened I need to be there so that the house will be appraised and we can sell the house to the top dollar that we need, that we can use for our family, for our kids, and maybe to help other people as well. But anyhow, this is my situation now. This is my 3rd time of going to court. It's a bit dragging, but the law is the law. I cannot do anything about it. I'm just obliging what the law is mandating for me to do. So I don't know, if you don't see me in the future, it's either I die or they were able to put me in jail for at least a year. So I'll be missing you guys, but hopefully everything is okay. And if I didn't make it, I would like to wish you a happy holiday. Value and love your family, because at the end of the day, they're the only one who gonna help you, especially your mom. Everybody turned their back, including my siblings and other relatives. My mom is always there. She called me, she cried with me, and I think she's the only reason why I'm still alive until now. So shout out for my mom. I love you, and hopefully this will end well. I love you guys. Always remember, YOLO. Bye.